after exaggerating their commercial assets for years. Trump confronts them in court. A lawsuit that enters his second week threatens with unprecedented details about how Trump's business managed Donald Trump at the courthouse in Manhattan on October 4. For Washington Post, Trump's company later announced that the 11,000 square meter unit was 30,000 square meters, almost 3 times its true size. A few years later, expert valuation experts told Trump on 40 Wall Street in Manhattan that the 70-story office building, a few steps from the New York Stock Exchange, was worth $260 million. However, Trump soon claimed in the financial documents that it was worth more than twice the value, worth about $530 million. While Trump's company was President 2018, in the financial statements of an experienced valuation specialist from New York, he claimed that Niketown, the luxury retail store adjacent to Trump Tower Manhattan, which has been closing since then, is worth $445 million. The expert then said that he did not provide researchers with such input, and Trump's process of reaching this figure made no sense. These details are taken from thousands of pages of court documents prepared by New York Attorney General Letitia James as evidence in the case against Trump. The documents show that accounting, banking and real estate experts have repeatedly reported to Trump how valuable their property and business are in reality. However, the documents reveal that Trump, his adult sons and senior executives have ignored or pushed these experts aside, replacing their numbers with numbers from another source. Trump's own intuition. As a developer for over 40 years, Trump is now leading candidate for the 2024 Republican presidential nomination. He routinely exaggerated value of himself and his assets while minimizing or skipping his obligations and debts. These self-glorifying boasts were at the heart of his reputation as a real estate king. The lawsuit against Trump's job, which entered his second week on Tuesday, is in danger of revealing the internal functioning of Trump's work in details that have never been previously described. James and his team, an elected Democrat, came to hearing armed after examining millions of pages about himself and his company. This is a treasure trove of legal ammunition that will be described detail in the court coming weeks. Trump faces 4 criminal cases approaching separately: federal, D.C. state trying to prevent 2020 election results, Georgia federal for allegedly having confidential documents after leaving office, Florida, and preventing the government's efforts to withdraw them. 2016 state, New York falsifying business records connection with the silent payment in. He denied all mistakes and described the James case as a pure witch hunt to intervene in United States elections. His lawyers said the practices of the Trump Organization were not illegal. Trump's lawyer, Christopher Kise, told the judge last week that ther